Welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about best car insurance in California. If you are looking for affordable high quality car insurance in California, we at the Market Watch Guides team can help. We have researched and ranked the best car insurance companies for California drivers based on coverage options, average cost, and customer service reputation to help you make the most informed out coverage decision. We evolved leading California car insurance providers based on a range of criteria, including available policy features and coverage types, industry standing, and customer service scores. We also considered cost data we receive from Quadrant Information Services. Based on our research, GIASO offers the best car insurance in California. Progressive, USAA, State Farm, and Allstate are also reliable options for most drivers. Number 1 GIASO, number 2 Progressive, number 3 USAA, State Farm, Allstate. Our research team considered nationwide factors when rating providers. The ranking order of providers in the table is specific to car insurance in California. To determine a car insurance company's rating for customer experience and reputation, we weigh several factors in addition to our nationwide car insurance survey that polled nearly 7,000 respondents. We also considered Better Business Bureau rating, Best Financial Strength rating, Best Car Insurance Companies in California. Find more information about our picks for the best car insurance in California in the following section. Number 1 GIASO GD Power Rating 1000 AM Best Financial Strength rating A double person triple B rating A plus. Is Giago insurance good? Pros and cons of all state insurance. GIASO car insurance coverage. Progressive. I am best financial strength rating A plus triple B rating. Nearly 70% of respondents in our nationwide car insurance survey had policies with Progressive, making it the survey's second most popular provider. The Progressive policyholders we heard from gave the company a 4.1 out of 5 point star rating for overall customer satisfaction. A plus financial strength rating from M best variety of coverage option, usage based program discounts, average customer service rating, usage based program can raise rate for some drivers. USAA GJD power rating 1000, AM best financial strength rating A double plus triple B not rated. Is USAA insurance good? Although USAA offers some of the cheapest car insurance rates in California, its policies are only available to active military veterans and their immediate family members. For those who quality USAA is both considered for its affordable rates and superior customer service reputation. USAA features the standard assortment of auto insurance products along with add-on options such as roadside assistance, rental car coverage, accident forgiveness, and even classic car insurance. The company usage-based program is called Safe Pilot. State Farm is the most popular car insurance provider in the US according to the NAIC. It's also our editor's choice for its combination of strong industry reputation, solid customer service, and widespread availability from local agents. State Farm offers minimum liability coverage and full coverage policies along with a host of add-on options.